My name is John with Technical Support, and today's question is, what is DDNS and how do I configure it on my HVR or NVR? Dynamic Domain Name System, or DDNS, is a service that provides a static address to simplify remote connections to the DVR. This service is most useful for installations where the public IP address dynamically changes from time to time. Most public IP addresses are periodically changed unless a static address has been specifically requested from the Internet Service Provider. Without DDNS, the only options are to purchase a static IP address or manually update to the new IP address whenever it changes. To enable DDNS on your HVR or NVR, first set the IP address. If you need assistance configuring the IP address, view the video tutorial on setting the IP address on your NVR or HVR. Once the IP address has been set, click Login at the HVR or NVR and log in as a user with administrative access. Then click the Setup button. Once in Setup, click the Administrative tab towards the bottom of the screen. In Administrative, click the Program Management button at the top right. Enter the administrative password and click OK. In the Program Management window, click the Show button to the right of the Dynamic DNS configuration entry. The values needed for the username, password, and host name fields can be located on the DDNS document included with every DVR. If the document is not available, technical support can provide this information. Once the username, password, and host name have been entered, select Check to verify that the settings are correct. If the check returns Fail, check the username, password, and host name and verify that the network cable, switch, router, or modem have not failed. If the check succeeds, click OK to accept the settings and return to server software. After DDNS has been configured, the router to which the DVR is connected needs to be configured to forward ports 2000 through 2005 to the IP address of the DVR. For further information on this process, please consult the router's manual, contact the router's manufacturer for technical support, contact the Internet Service Provider, or contact OpenEye support. You may also visit portforward.com for further assistance. As an example, to configure port forwarding on a Linksys router, which is a common brand, first open a web browser on a computer with local access to the router. In the address bar, enter 192.168.1.1, which is the router's default IP address. A login prompt will be displayed. Leave the username blank and enter admin as the password, and then click OK. Once in the Setup menu, click on Applications and Gaming. Enter OpenEye as the application name, set the start port to 2000 and the end port to 2005. Then modify the IP address to match the address shown in Network Setup on the DVR. Then click Save Settings. If multiple DVRs exist on the same network, the ports must be set to a unique value for each DVR. The ports can be changed in the network setup on the DVR. Modified ports should be reflected in the port forwarding settings on the router. Once DDNS and port forwarding have been configured, the DVR will be accessible from any remote site by entering the host name into the IP address field in Remote Center or Radius. For more information on OpenEye's products or solutions, or to watch more video tutorials like the one you're watching now, visit us at openeye.net. From OpenEye, I'm John.